The Supreme Court will deliver its judgment tomorrow on whether serving judicial officers should get a quota for promotion to district judge post. The five-judge bench of Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai, Justice Suryakant, Justice Vikram Nath, Justice K. Vinod Chandran and Justice Joymalia Bagchi had reserved verdict in the All India Judges Association case on November 4th. The court is examining if uniform pan-India guidelines are needed to determine interstate seniority in the judicial service, and whether there should be a quota in the district judge post for the promotion of judicial officers who joined the service at the entry level. Amicus Curiae senior advocate Siddharth Bhatnagar placed four key suggestions. First, suggested that for the appointment to the post of district judge or principal district judges, a quota of 1:1 for promoted district judges and direct recruit district judges may be created. Second, the zone of consideration for appointment to the post of district judge selection grade and district judge super time scale should comprise of 50% officers from the direct recruited district judges and 50% from promoted district judges applying merit cum seniority as recommended by the respective high courts. Third, grant promotee officers additional weightage by counting one extra year of seniority for every 5 years of service, subject to a maximum of 3 years. Fourth, or adopt Andhra Pradesh model of maintaining 3 separate seniority lists in a 50:25:25 ratio. The matter was referred to a larger bench after concerns that many officers starting as judicial magistrate first class never reach senior positions, discouraging talent. The court emphasized the need for a balanced long-term solution. For more details, you can visit on our website www.livelaw.in, and for further updates on this matter, stay tuned to Live Law.